I bought a folding table, a 4-foot folding table off of Temu. They're about $45 here at our local Walmart, and I paid $23 off of Temu. So let's go ahead and open this box up and we'll see what the quality is. Alright, hold on one sec while I open it. Alright, there it is out of the box. Let's go ahead and get that out of there and fold it up. It's actually quite heavy. So let's see what it looks like once we get it opened up. Okay, there it is, folded open. Let's go ahead and put the legs down and see what we got. Looks like the legs come in and out, so you can have it a little bit shorter or a little bit taller. Wow, check that out. Another good product I got from Temu. Man, this is gonna come in really handy camping. Dang, it's a nice little table. Awesome, thank you, Temu. If you're wondering about these on Temu, these little tables, fold up tables, pretty darn nice. It's got a little handle here to carry it once you get it all folded up. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.